Today, I'm showing you how to let your clients keep their chatbots updated. So every day at 11:59, our clients' chatbots automatically update with data that they've entered themselves. And why this is so important is when you deploy a chatbot for your client, you won't possibly know how the users are going to ask it, how many different questions they're going to ask it. So in order to keep these chatbots updated and not get bogged down entering thousands of questions or hundreds of questions and answers, what you can do is create a document so that that document automatically gets published to the chatbot's knowledge base. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you do today. So here's what we're going to do. Let's start off with a new document here in our Google Drive. The tools that we're going to use to do this are Google Drive, make.com, and Voiceflow. So yeah, we're just going to do a sample FAQ doc here. And then put in a question, so Q. This is a sample question, A. And so this is the format that you want to put these questions in so that when it gets uploaded, the chatbot sort of knows what it's looking at. You want to keep the questions and the answers tight together so they fall in the same chunk when they get uploaded to the chatbot's knowledge base. So we're gonna answer this. Onyx AI is a great AI agency and can handle all of your chatbot needs. Okay, so some shameless self-promotion there, and we're going to show you the next part of this. So to do that, we're going to go over to make.com, and I already have this automation built, but I'm going to build it from scratch just to show y'all what this does here. So I logged in. This is what the dashboard looks like on make.com if you haven't used it before. But we're going to start out with a new scenario here. And Google Drive, I'm going to start out. We're going to download a file from Google Drive. So you have to go through these authentication steps here. And I'll show you what that looks like. We're going to go and create a new connection name. So new sample connect. Okay, you're going to want to sign in with Google there. That's coming up off screen, I believe. Yup, it is. Lovely. But yeah, I'm signing into my Google account, and then once I do that, it's going to give it access to my files so that it can download the Google document. Because what we're going to want to do once we download the Google document, then we're going to want to push it to the base. So right here you can see, push it to the knowledge base. So you can see it right here. Click here to choose file. I click the sample FAQ doc that we just created. Great. Okay. Now we want to add a HTTP module to here because this is how we send that post request to the chatbot. So go ahead and grab the URL. So I've already done this elsewhere. This link is going to be in the description. We're going to go ahead and grab this from one of my other scenarios. Yep. right here. So yeah, this is what it looks like in the URL. We copy that over. Make sure it's a post request. Body type, we're going to want to click post request, headers, authorization. Want to do authorization. Going to grab that there. Grab that one there, and then add that in. So then once that's there, we need to add another header, which is accept application.json. Okay, once that's there, we want to overwrite true. This is what's going to allow it to keep in the query string. So this is what it's going to allow it to keep overwriting the document and not creating a whole bunch of new documents in there. Because we want the source of truth, the existing document in the Google Drive, and that's going to stay up to date. And then we want to keep overwriting the document that's in the knowledge base so that it doesn't create a bunch of them. Body type, we want it to be multi-part form data, except then the first field type is going to be a file. Key, yes, it's going to be this. The key is going to be file as well. Okay, so file. Okay, then once it's there, we're going to want to parse response. And that's it on this one. So yeah, so now that that's done, we're gonna go over to our existing Voiceflow project. I'm not gonna show you the full FAQ, how to create an FAQ bot in this video. I just wanted to show you how to upload this to the document that we just created to the knowledge base. And then I'm gonna go ahead and ask it that question over there. So now that we've created this automation, this should be all set. We're going to go over and look at the knowledge base just to make sure that that document is not there before. So designer, knowledge base. Okay, so this is that knowledge base that we're looking at right here. There's only the existing document there, and then let's run that real quick. So run this one here. Boop. Okay, we got a successful run, and then let's go ahead and look at that. Give it a nice little refresh here. Then boom, sample FAQ doc. And then sample question. Onyx AI is a great AI agency that can handle all your chatbot needs. That's it. That's it. So once you've done all this, you set it up on whatever time scale that you want. So it can be every 15 minutes. That's a little too often. What we do for our clients is we do every day, and then you set a time for every day. And I do 11:59 p.m. so that it's every night at 11:59, and you want to make sure that this is flicked to on. And then that is it. It's going to do that every day. But how did we know that worked? Let's go test that bot real quick. Just hop into Voiceflow workflow here. we know it's in the knowledge base now, but then let's just make sure that it knows that question. This is a sample question. Let's ask it exactly it. Just to. Okay, and there's exactly our answer. We had to ask that verbatim because there's some more knowledge in here. But yeah, so that's exactly what we wanted to happen. Yeah, that's it. That's a tutorial. Thank y'all so much. If you like this, go ahead and smash that like button. And if you're looking for more solutions like this, go ahead and smash that subscribe button while you're at it. All right, bye.